One of the most important reasons why we cannot communicate fluently and confidently is our tendency to impress others. We are continuously trying to impress others by faking the foreign accent or by trying to speak like someone else who is better than you. We are not speaking to express, but we are speaking to impress. Due to this, what happens is we aren't able to communicate fluently, confidently, openly, and naturally. Friends, I will tell you in this video how this tendency of continuously trying to impress others is stopping you from speaking fluently, confidently, and naturally. At the end, I will give you some psychological tips which will help you to overcome this problem and speak natural and fluent English. So let's start, friends. If you think that your poor English communication is due to grammar, then you are wrong. There are many people who know all the grammar rules. They are perfect in grammar, but they can't speak confidently. On the other side, there are some people who don't know much grammar, but they are very confident speaker. It's not the grammar that's the problem, it's the confidence. That's the main issue. We have fear of English. That's the main issue. Dear friends, another problem we have is we have weak emotional personality. We get hurt very easily, we worry a lot, we get angry quickly, we are not able to make decisions properly. This is the sign of weak emotional personality. If you want to work on your English communication, your soft skills and your confidence, then I have developed a completely different course. The name of the course is English Communication and Confidence Therapy. This is a program which I have designed from my 17 years of experience and my practicals. Friends, this is not a very common course where grammar is taught, but this is a completely different, unique course where I used psychology and my experience to train the students. But before telling about this course, let me tell you who I am. I'm a PhD in cryogenic engineering. But my passion is to train students for English communication, soft skills, and emotional personality. I'm doing this since last 17 years. Well, I have helped thousands of students to develop their English communication, their confidence, and their mental toughness. Now, before telling about what is this course about, let me tell you what is not there in course. This course is not a grammar course. In this course, I'm not going to teach you grammar. Grammar you already know, and grammar is not important for communicating confidently. Number 2, this is not any online which is a recorded course where a video link is given to you and you have to download and see. No, this is not a recorded course. Number 3, this is not any short-term course, shortcut course where you will be Superman in one day or in 1 month. It's not like that. This is not a course where you will be given 80% and 90% discount to attract students. It's not like that. We have a fixed course fees. This is not a course which is an app-based course. This is not an app where you can speak in English in 21 days or 30 days. It's not like that. Then what is this course all about? This course is a live training with me personally. It is a live training with me. And this is a long and rigorous training program. Second thing is, this course will give you permanent solution for your English communication problem, for your confidence problem, for your emotional problems. So this is not any shortcut course. This course contains a lot of psychological techniques which will help you to speak confidently, to communicate confidently, and to be a good public speaker, be a good presenter, as well as be mentally tougher. I get hundreds of emails every day. For that, I'm going to conduct video conferencing session with them. And after that, if I feel you have the hunger to learn, only that student will be selected. So friends, all the information is given in the description. Read the description, email me, my team will contact you. Well, I told you that we are into continuous urge to impress others. We want others' acceptance. We want others' approval. This started in childhood. When we were a small baby, we wanted approval of our parents. So we behaved, they wanted to behave. We did what they wanted to do. This was fine in childhood. But now the same mentality is there with us. Now we want to approve the approval of boss. We want to impress others. We want to impress our friends, our neighbors, our colleagues, everyone. Due to that, we forget the originality. Due to that, we are not natural. We are trying to be someone else which we are not. If you are doing that kind of behavior, you are just trying to please people. You are a people pleaser. You get stressed and you just lose your originality. Now, due to the same tendency or the same mentality, we bring in communication. While speaking, we try to impress others. I know many people who try to fake the foreign accent. Foreign accent is natural. If you are an Indian, you will have an Indian accent, not a foreign accent. But people don't like Indian accent. They like foreign accent. So they will copy the foreign accent. And actually, it sounds very ridiculous. It sounds very stupid. Instead of impressing, it backfires. And people criticize you. Well, second tendency is there. There are some trainers who will tell you that you should speak perfect English and not have mother tongue influence on your language. Now what happens? They will tell you that, well, see, don't pronounce the word water. Pronounce the word as water, water, water. Now what happens? This is another burden on you. You keep on thinking about the mother tongue influence, water, water, and you forget speaking. You forget your originality. You forget to express. Again, you're trying to impress. Well, third is there. Some trainers tell you that you must not speak in this way. You must not pronounce in this way. People will laugh at you. You have to speak perfect English. You have to do perfect pronunciation. Now what happens? Well, due to this, again you get under stressed and you forget speaking. Well, due to all these things, you just forget to speak. You forget to express yourself. You are continuously under burden trying to impress others. And you forget it. See, English is only a language. Language to express, not to impress. Well, if you want to impress someone, then impress with your work, with your achievements. Do something for your parents, for your country. Make them proud. Impress them in this way. English is not the language. Well, I have seen, friends, that there are many people who, due to their work, due to their character, due to their sheer hard work and persistence, they have achieved a lot of things in life. And they're just expressing themselves through language. They don't worry about whether they're having a foreign accent or mother tongue influence. They are just speaking and people love them, like them. Many people are there. They don't worry about whether the pronunciation is right or wrong. They're just speaking. I'm not saying that speak wrong English. Yeah, there are some sectors where pronunciation is important, where accent is important, like hospitality sector is there, television and radio sectors are there, BPO call centers are there. Okay, you have to train yourself, I understand that. But how many people are working in these fields? Hardly very few. But people like you and me, we are just here to express. We have to go on in the group discussions, speak up. We have to face the interviews and speak up, express our achievements and our qualities. We have to go on the stage and speak up. We have to express ourselves. Very few people need that voice modulation or accent training or whatever it is. Look at me. I just don't worry about my accent or my pronunciation. I just express myself. For me, most important thing is what I feel. Do you get it? Yes. And most of the comments I get, 98% comments say that, well, we understand what you say, your language is easy and we are enjoying it. In fact, there are many people who say to me that due to my videos, they are now able to express properly, speak confidently. It means they understand what I say, and at the end of the day, that's very important. Yeah, there are some negative comments, some one or two. They are English experts. They say that my pronunciation is not good, my accent is not good, or mother tongue influence is there. I don't worry about them. What I worry is just expressing myself. That's all. Same thing I'm telling you, friends. Forget all those naysayers. Forget about accent and mother tongue influence and all so many things. You will get overwhelmed. Just focus on expressing yourself. Focus on speaking yourself. Focus on expressing your feelings through verbal and non-verbal communication, and see, people start liking you. They will love the way you speak. Most important thing. Most important psychological tip I want to give you now. You want to improve your communication? Speak confidently? Then be shameless. Yes, I know what I'm saying. Be shameless. And don't think about criticism. Friends, if I would have thought about criticism, I would not have been here in front of you. I would not have started the YouTube channel. One more thing I want to tell you. If you don't want criticism, then don't do anything, don't be anything, sit quietly in home. That's the biggest failure. So my dear friends, what I want to say is, don't think what people think about you because they'll keep on thinking. दुनिया में सबसे बड़ा रोग मेरे बारे में क्या कहेंगे लोग? Forget everything. Change your mindset. Forget about the impressing others. Focus on expressing yourself. I want you to type this comment in the comment box. I will speak to express and not to impress. If you agree with me, type this. And then see the change in you. You will speak confidently and fluently. Naturally, you will come outside. You will feel liberated, like free. Thank you, friends, for watching this video. And take care. Bye.